In today's video, I'll show you how to make a bootable USB for Android. So let's take a look. To begin, we're going to open up our browser. We're going to head over to android-x86.org. And this is the official URL where you can get a lot of different Android operating system ISO image files. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is just click on the download option right over here. And it's going to give you a few sites that you can go to download your images. So you can get it from FossHub or OSDN. Where I'm going to go right now is I'm going to go to the OSDN website, click on that. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see that the version that they have posted at the top is 8.1. If you go a little bit further, you can get version 7, version 9, version 6, and so on. So you just basically have to decide the version of Android operating system that you want to download. You want to get the ISO's image file, not the RPM. So we're going to go ahead and download this one and click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to take us to the download page where it'll proceed to download. So you'll have to wait for this download to complete. It's a little over 600 megs, 658 to be exact. We'll let that download and I'll jump over to the next step. And we're at rufus.ie, and that is the official URL to download the Rufus Bootable USB creation tool. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be downloading this and I'm going to install it on my computer. Version 3.19 is the latest version that's out. We'll go ahead and click on that right now. And we're going to let it download, and here it is. So open that up. Say yes to the prompt. And the first question is, do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online? And I'm okay with that, so I'll just select yes. Okay, so we have it installed. And here is the main screen for Rufus device. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to be plugging in a USB flash drive. For this video, I'm going to be using the Data Traveler G4 16 gig USB flash drive. Now, this is a cheap, reliable flash drive, and I've used these over and over again with no issues. So I definitely recommend them. That's what I'm going to be installing, and I'm just going to plug it in right now. So we have the device drive here listed up here at the top. And now what we're going to do is select the operating system. So I already have it downloaded in my downloads folder. So here is my Android 8.1 R6 ISO image file. I'm going to be selecting that over here. It's in my downloads folder, so I can go ahead and select that and then click on the open button. And we're going to be leaving the partition scheme as default, the target system as default, the volume label. We can just shorten that up a little bit here. I'll just put Android 8.1. The filing system is going to stay as FAT32, and the cluster size we're going to be leaving as default. Once you have all that selected, you can go ahead and click on the start button. So you get a prompt over here, write in ISO and image mode, which is recommended. We're going to click on OK, and it's just giving us a prompt letting us know that it's going to completely wipe out the drive, and that's fine. We'll click on OK. You may or may not get a prompt to download a subsystem for Linux, which is required for the boot up. That's already been done on my PC, and it'll just be a minute here while it goes ahead and copies over all the files. Okay, so the process is now complete. You can see that it's ready, and we can go ahead and click on close. And we've just created a bootable version of Android 8.1 on a USB drive, and that's how you do it. I'll also make sure I link the step-by-step instructions to my blog in the description below if you want to follow those as well. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.